In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, edit, and manage newsletter images and GIFs with Mailerlite. First, let's head over to the Mailerlite website. If you're not already familiar, Mailerlite is a fantastic platform that helps you create engaging email marketing campaigns. So open up your browser and navigate to Mailerlite's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on Login will bring up the Sign In options. For ease and quick access, we're going to use the Sign In with Google option. This allows you to seamlessly log into Mailerlite using your Google credentials without the hassle of remembering yet another password. After signing in, you'll find yourself on your personal Mailerlite dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the File Manager option and click on it. The File Manager is your central hub for all your images and GIFs within Mailerlite. Here you can upload, organize, and manage your multimedia content. Now look for the Upload Image button. Clicking on this will allow you to browse your device and select the images or GIFs you want to incorporate into your newsletters. These can include promotional banners, product images, or even animated GIFs to add a little flair to your emails. Once your images are uploaded, it's time to integrate them into your newsletter. Go back to the main dashboard and click on the Campaigns tab. This will take you to the section where all your newsletters are housed. Find the draft newsletter you want to work on and select it. After opening your draft, click on Content to enter the editing space where all the magic happens. Here you can edit every part of your newsletter. With the content editor, you can add text, modify sections, and most importantly, drag and drop your recently uploaded images and GIFs right into the body of your email. This step allows you to create visually appealing newsletters that capture the attention of your readers. When you're satisfied with your edits and your newsletter looks just the way you envisioned, it's time to wrap up your session. To do that, simply click on the Done Editing button. This action saves all your changes and prepares your newsletter for sending. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully inserted, edited, and managed your newsletter images and GIFs using Mailerlite. This tool helps ensure your newsletters are not only informative but also visually engaging, which ultimately drives better engagement from your audience. Happy emailing!